In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a listing from Zillow. This is a great skill to have if you're a property owner who no longer wishes for a certain listing to be visible on the platform. Whether you've sold the property, decided to hold off on selling, or for any other reason, archiving a property will ensure that its listing is no longer publicly accessible. Let's dive into the process, which is simple and straightforward, but important to do correctly. First things first, we need to access what's called the property card. This is where all your listed properties are displayed on Zillow, and you can think of it as your personal real estate dashboard. To get there, you'll want to log into your account and navigate to the My Properties page. Here, you should see a list of properties that you've previously added to Zillow. Take your time and locate the specific listing you want to remove. It's crucial to ensure you're dealing with the correct one, as you'll be archiving this listing, effectively removing it from public view. Once you've identified the property you want to archive, the next step is to open the Options menu. On the property card, look for a small icon that resembles three dots, often referred to as the ellipsis icon. This icon is typically found next to the details of the property you wish to address. By clicking on this icon, you will open a drop-down menu with several options related to managing that property. Now, within this menu, you need to look for the option that says Archive Property. When you select this, you're activating the process to remove that listing from public visibility on Zillow. It serves as a way to tidy up your dashboard and keep only active listings visible. Archiving doesn't mean the listing is gone forever. It simply means it's not publicly accessible. Think of it like putting a book on a back shelf. You can unarchive it later if needed. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully archived a property listing on Zillow. Remember, if you ever need to revisit this decision and make the listing visible again, you always have the option to go back and unarchive the property whenever you wish. This flexibility makes Zillow a user-friendly platform for managing your real estate listings efficiently. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Archiving listings is a great way to ensure your property management on Zillow is neat and organized, reflecting only what you currently have available. Thank you for watching, and see you next time as we dive into more helpful real estate tips and tricks.